is Anthony Cesar FAI from Grade 8 Goldfinch.
Hi, I'm Gunmanette Amasqueda from Grade 8 Wimbledon. The title of our book is War of the Worlds by H.G. Wells.
This book is all about Martians or invaders trying to invade the Earth.
The main characters of the story are the Martians and the humans.
My favorite part of the story is when humans and aliens started to clash with their own weapons and their own technology.
My favorite part of the story was when the narrator and the curate went to an abandoned house to get some food. When the fifth cylinder landed right next to them, destroying a part of the house and dropping them inside. For a few weeks, they stayed inside the house, and due to the curate's loudness, he attracted a Martian, which causes his death. While the narrator, after a few days, the narrator seemed to feel that it was safe to go outside, so he went outside and started to walk to the Leatherhead to know if his wife was still alive.
The climax of the story is when the humans was near to victory against the aliens.
The ending of the story was when the narrator walked into a hole and discovered that many Martians were dead. He also discovered that they died because of a bacteria in which the humans are immune to, while the Martians are not. The lessons that we've learned from the story is to help one another in times of trial and to help each other whenever we can. As the saying goes, it is better to give than to receive. Hey there everyone, I would like to recommend to you to read the book War of the Worlds. It is an interesting book. It can help you analyze things, and you can also learn from the book. I would like you to know that the book was subdivided into two parts. The first part was the coming of the Martians, and the second part was the Earth under the Martians. The book was also made into a movie last 2005. It was directed by Steven Spielberg, and that's it. You should check out the movie too. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope that you have learned something from this video. Thank you.